I'm just going to add some oil. So I'm just tucking in the dough. I'm going to let my dough rest for about 15 minutes as I make the pizza sauce. So those are all my ingredients. That's chopped spring onions, ginger there, that's paprika, that's salt, turmeric, chili powder, black pepper, and there's some sugar. That is grated. So I'm just going to show you how I did my sauce over there. You have to heat some little oil on your sufuria. You have to make sure the oil is hot enough to cook the ingredients. I'm adding in some ginger, so guys, be sure to mix all the ingredients together as you're going to see me doing. And also you can use any spices that you want, not necessarily whatever I've used. That was just my choice. So I'm adding in my blended tomatoes. Make sure you mix all the ingredients well so that you can get a good taste. I'm just adding everything I showed you guys earlier. You guys, if I tell you the smell that's coming out of that sufuria, it's just great. I'm also adding my vinegar just to tenderize that sauce. I'm going to cook this for about 5 minutes, then I'll let it cool down. That's the sauce, guys. My sauce is ready. So I just had to clear that place so that I can roll my dough. And it's ready. So before you start rolling your dough on that surface, you have to ensure that you sprinkle some flour so that the dough does not stick on the surface. I tell you guys, rolling this thing wasn't easy. And first of all, I'm using a small rolling pin. But I guess I tried and I got that perfect circular shape. So you guys, you can give me more ideas on what to be cooking and any other ideas for the channel, and let's grow. Yeah. So I'm just transferring the dough onto my oven tray. But if you have a pizza tray, you can as well use it. For me, I didn't have one, so I'll just use my oven tray. So this part is just optional. I just love doing that, but I don't really know why. I just love doing that. Then next, I'm going to use my fingers to make that raised part that you guys always see when you get your pizzas. So I'm going to spread my sauce on it. So guys, make sure you put the sauce all around and make sure there's no space that is left without the sauce. So, and after the sauce, you're just going to make sure you add your toppings. And for your toppings, you can use anything. For me, I chose to use some beef sausages and grated cheese. But you can as well use anything. You can use fruits. You can just use anything of your choice. So that's my cheese. I'm just going to sprinkle all around until I feel it's enough. So after that, make sure before you start adding your toppings, your oven is preheated to 180 degrees. So I'm just going to put it inside and let it bake for around 15 to 20 minutes. So I'll see you guys after 20 minutes. So we are back, guys. It's been 20 minutes and our pizza is ready, as you can see there. It looks yummy, right? I hope you guys are going to try. You can follow whatever I've done, or whichever way you decide to make your pizza. And also don't forget to tag me as we finish the video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and also share. Stay tuned, guys. See you for the next video. Bye.